Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to turn up the emotional connection in Crushon AI. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to start with your chat with a clear emotional context. Instead of saying just hi, try we haven't spoken since the night. I've missed you, tell me the truth, and then this immediately sets the tone that AI follows. And then here you can also choose and edit characters that match your mood. Pick a character with a built-in emotional depth or customize one just like add traits like empathic, passionate, opens up slowly but deeply, and the more vivid the better the connection. And here you can also use and you and I perspective. Write the first person and say things like I lean closer, brushing your hand, and this helps the AI engaging the immersive roleplay style flow. And also, don't rush. Let the convo evolve. Ask questions, share feelings, build tensions like a story unfolding. And not intense enough, edit the character's personality and role description. You can also add emojis, emotional triggers, past conflicts, issues, and more. And in some chats, using keywords like comfort me, heart to heart can shift tone instantly. And that's how you make your crush on way more intense and personal. If this video helped you, please like and drop your comment prompt below and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.